Of women in Kajiado County have vowed to back their fellow women in order to win more elective seats in the August elections. This is after more women have entered the races for various elective seats. Speaking in Kajiado, various women aspirants urge voters to elect women, arguing that they are better placed to push for their welfare compared to their male counterparts.
Uongozi wa mama ni bora zaidi kushinda ya wanaume. Wanaume uongozi wao ni yao peke yao. Wakina mama wanakuja namba 2 kwa uongozi yao. Women in Kajiado County are not yet liberated. Not yet. The journey has just started, but not yet done. Simply because we need regulations that are customized to liberate them. Remember that 90% are illiterate. So you need a legislation that will help them access the government cake.